In this video, I'll walk you through how to update your iPhone to the latest iOS 18. If you find this guide useful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Your support fuels our ability to bring you more great content. First, go to Settings. You should see an option called Software Update available under your Apple ID profile picture. If you don't see this option, don't worry. I will show you what to do in a bit. After you click on Software Update, you should be directed to the iOS 18 update immediately. Once there, all you have to do is click on Update Now or Update it tonight. Now, what if you don't see this option here? First, go to your main settings page, then go to General. Under About, you will see the option for Software Update. Tap on that. Now, if you haven't still updated your phone to the previous update release, you might see a screen like this. Tap on Upgrade to iOS 18 at the bottom of the page. Now, like we did before, click on Update Now. Then, it will pop up a Terms and Conditions page, which we have to agree to. Then, wait for it to be updated. For me, it took about 20 minutes. Make sure you have about 8 GB worth of space, enough battery, and a stable internet connection. If you see your updating is pretty slow, try to turn off and turn on the Wi-Fi again, which helps me to fix the problem. Patiently wait until the phone updates. Once the phone updates, you can enjoy the new iOS 18 features, such as customizable home screen, app icons, and more. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it both helpful and engaging. If you did, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tutorials. Also, check out mediamagnet.business for a wide array of tutorials and resources on diverse topics. See you soon!